Today, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your iPod if it's not charging. Before you buy a new charger, you need to do this right now. Like, if you charge it all the way down, it's not going to work. You probably think that it's your charger, but it isn't. It's probably something else in here, like trash. The things that you'll need is a flashlight and a needle. Alright, let's check one more time, just to see that I'm not kidding. It won't charge. See? It's not charging. You can see it's not. See? I'm gonna put it all the way down and it doesn't work. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is turn your iPod down, or whatever you have. Turn it off. There. You turn it off. There, alright. And then you take your flashlight and just take a look in there, and you wouldn't see anything like right now. But then if you look closer, you're gonna see trash. I don't think you can see it there, but it's probably from your pocket where you put it. Okay. For the second thing you need to do is let someone hold the flashlight for you, or you can do it yourself, however you want. I'm just gonna put it right here so you can see better. Right there. Then you're gonna take the needle and clean that out. Be careful though. Don't do it too hard. There. As you can see, there's trash coming out in there. I told you already, it's probably from your pocket or whatever, but that's like the main reason why your iPod or any device isn't charging. See, there's still more in there. Yep, there's more. Right there. And then when you think you're done, you put your flashlight in there, and you don't have to see anything black or anything. At the end, you have to see something white. If it's not white, then I guess you have to clean it up a little bit more. Yeah, don't do it too hard, cause then you're just gonna break it or something. So don't do it too hard. You can use this for your headphones if that thing doesn't work either. You can use this too. I think I'm out there right now. Yep. And just make sure, just like blow in it. Don't spit, because then you're just gonna break it. Then just suck in it, I guess. No, not that. And then just turn it on. There. So before you buy a new charger, just do this, and then if it doesn't work, then buy a new charger. And if that doesn't work, then it's probably your iPod, that this thing right here is broken or something. I don't know. Then we're gonna try this one more time and see what happens. It's already clean. I see everything white in there. Yep, it's clean. Alright, let's do this now. Yep, it's charging right now. See? You move it and everything, it works fine. Zip. So try this trick if before you buy a charger. Remember, you just need a needle and a flashlight. You have to be careful so you don't break the things. And that's basically it. I hope you guys find this useful, and I hope you guys like it, and subscribe for more videos and things. Well, thanks for watching.